welcome back to my channel. So today for breakfast I'm making a protein shake. Since I didn't get enough protein in yesterday, I decided to make the shakes, and I'm going to use these dark sweet cherries. Sorry, it's kind of blurry. I did about 6 ounces, a little over 6 ounces of these cherries. They are frozen, and I also got a frozen bag of strawberries. These have no extra sugar added, and so I added the cherries and 10 grams of the frozen strawberries, and then I used 1 scoop of the protein powder mix. I think it's the cupcake flavor or vanilla, and that is going to give me 10 grams of protein. And then I just I ended up having another one after this because it was so good. So I had 2 of these. I just switched up the fruit, but I'll show a clip of that at the end of the video also. And then for lunch I had the miso soup, and I forgot to record it, so I'll link the video, the last video that has a soup in it, below. And for dinner we actually went out to eat. I ended up having boneless chicken wings, and I only ate about 3 or 4 out of this picture that you're gonna see. And here's the picture of my total macros for the day. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.